Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And once again, we talk about the low latency profile that Microsoft is pushing on PCs slowly. A lot of people still don't have it, and it is apparently very obvious when you get it. You notice immediately the difference in speed when you actually start new apps or use the start menu and so on. Now, Microsoft did say that the August 2026 Patch Tuesday updates have turned on the low latency profile on a lot more PCs that seem to be working correctly with it. So that means that you might notice a difference in speed. You might notice that it is available. If you are noticing that things are way faster since you installed the Patch Tuesday updates, well, that's a possibility that you do have the low latency profile installed on your PC. Um, so some people can notice it by simply, launching apps and noticing a very high spike of CPU usage just as the app is launched. And this is really a big spike. I mean, it's compared to regular apps, the spike is much, much bigger as the CPU is pushed to the maximum speed temporarily just to launch everything so that things go faster. So it will be interesting to see how many of you might have noticed this, and that's kind of my question today. Are you noticing that things are faster with the August Patch Tuesday updates? It's still possible that you do not have the low latency profile yet on your computer. That is something that is totally possible that it's not activated yet. But notice if things seem faster after Patch Tuesday of August. Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.